I created a video that shows students how to access Citrix from home and kind of talked about the benefits of being able to do that. That allows students, of course, to log in and see their school desktop, use the school programs for engineering, architecture, basic technical drawing, and advanced drawing, and it also allows them to access their assignments. But I wanted to take a couple of minutes here to kind of show the benefits of opening and keeping track of Aspen at home as well. And right now I'm logged in under an advanced drawing student here who also happens to be taking architecture as well. But because we're talking about the second day of school here, there's not a lot of assignments posted. But you will see here that 2 assignments have been created, graded, and so forth. Please understand that the dates that are up here for me are always going to be the dates that I grade them, not necessarily the dates that they were due or even the dates that they were assigned. So the dates simply mean the day that I graded them. If you go to the page directory here and you go to, in this case, advanced or architectural drawing, it doesn't matter either way, but we'll use advanced for this example. You'll see that the syllabus is posted here, so if you ever need to access that, you can, and that's for all the courses. And this here is the website of the YouTube video that explains how to get to Citrix from home and ultimately access the programs and assignments through the Citrix system. So you'll notice that right now there's a couple assignments that are listed. In his classroom assignments right now, he's got a 0 F, and then his gradebook average is an F. Obviously, we don't want that. If we click here, you'll see the same thing. We got advanced drawing and design. His quarter 1 grade right now is a 0 F. So we'll click on details for that. We are underneath of advanced drawing again. Okay. You'll see that 75% of the grade comes from assignments, 25% of the grade comes from participation, and that's all of the classes I teach is weighted like that. We don't have any participation grades yet. I only do those at the interim and at the final for each of the individual quarters, so you'll only have 8 participation grades. But you'll see classroom assignments, he does have a 0 F for that. So if I click on details after that, I click on assignments after that, you'll see the 2 assignments that have been graded. Inventor Drawing 1121, okay, which he's got an X here, which just means he's exempt. He didn't need to do that. That assignment's not counting for him or against him. The assignment that actually is bringing his grade down is Inventor Drawing 1124, which means it's got an NC next to it, which is basically my way of letting the students know that they have not either completed the drawing or they haven't submitted the assignment, one or the other. It is not an end-of-the-world scenario. I will accept late work most of the time. So if you see an NC, it just simply means that the student needs to submit the assignment to me. And again, it could be any number of things. They could have been absent. They could have neglected to turn it in. It may not be complete, whatever the case may be. But again, it's not the end of the world. NC just means not complete. They can turn it in at any point in time. Now, this is where you can kind of figure out what it is that's actually missing. So if you wanted to see, for example, all right, it's exempt, but what assignment actually was it? So we can click on Inventor Drawing 1121. And for every assignment they do on all 4 classes, I will post either the assignment description, the actual assignment itself, or I'll actually post an answer key. And it just depends on the assignment. So in this case for 1121, I have posted the answer key for it. So if I click on the PDF here and then click on Open, this is what the assignment should look like. This would be a 100%. So if their drawing looked exactly like this, or Inventor Drawing looked exactly like this, they would get a 100% on the assignment. And what this does for them is it allows them to actually check their work. Or if they're missing the drawing, they can say, oh yeah, I do remember that one, and go back and either, if it's done, complete it, or go ahead and print it off and give it to me, or if it's not complete, go ahead and complete it using, I don't mind if they use this to complete it at all, the answer key. They just need to get it handed in to me. So the same goes for the other assignment that's here. Okay, so if I go back to, we'll go back to academics here, we'll go back to advanced drawing, we'll go back to assignments. Okay, so for the other assignments, 1124, he's got a 0 for that, and that's what's bringing his overall average down. So I don't say we don't remember what 1124 looks like. That's fine. We can click on that. And then again, the PDF is down there, and we can open that up. And this was the 1124 assignment right here, okay? So that's the assignment that we need to say, all right, I need to go ahead and complete that. So understand that anything that's going to be posted up here is also going to be posted if they were to log into Citrix which is the previous video that I created. If they were to log into Citrix, and they would see their desktop. In this case, that was an Inventor drawing, so they could open up Inventor and they could go through and they could finish the drawing from home. But they can also access that drawing by going to the computer, again through the Citrix system, going to the public folder, going to students, going to GHS students, going to public, going to read-only, going to Seltzer, and then for all 4 of my classes, they're all set up the exact same way. I could then go to, that was advanced drawing, click here, go to, we're on Unit 1, Review of Key Drafting Concepts, go ahead and click on that. And then here's the 1124 assignment, and our 1121 assignment and the 1124 assignment. So they're essentially posted in 2 separate places for the students to access either at school or at home.